Hey, let's go. I absolutely love French fries. And when you go ahead and you put something on top of it, like a gravy or a curry, there's no turning back. Now, my friend here, Sid Suntha from Bread and Circus's food truck here in Seattle, is serving up a pretty mean poutine. Is that correct?
Right, yeah.
Tell me a little bit about it.
So we're doing a lamb curry poutine. So your traditional Canadian poutine is usually gonna be French fries, gravy, cheese curds. So we're doing a little spin on it. So instead of gravy, we're doing a lamb curry, some shishito peppers, and we're gonna do a mozzarella and paneer mix. And people just love it. They think it's a little weird at first if they haven't heard of poutine or
Right.
you know, they're trying to think, how did you get this car accident of a dish together? But once they take one bite, they're really into it.
That's awesome. Well, I can't wait to try it. Let's
All
check it
right,
out.
let's do it.
Now, what are some of your favorite ways to enjoy a potato?
Baked, mashed, fried, any which way.
Any way with cheese on it.
I happen to have here a lamb curry poutine. Have you had a poutine before?
No, I have not.
It's a Canadian tradition where you take the fries and you put some gravy on it, but this is a little twist. But how have you had a lamb curry poutine?
No.
This is your day. All right, why don't you guys take one of those there, give it a shot, and tell me what you think.
Delicious.
Potatoes themselves are what is combining all of it together.
Really tasty and it goes well with the fries.
Would you order that again?
Yeah, I'm gonna go order it right now.
That's what we like to hear. If you guys get a chance to go check out Bread and Circuses, yeah.
If we don't eat it all.